In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how to make money from YouTube and what you need to know before starting a YouTube channel of your own. YouTube is the #1 video platform in the world. No wonder a lot of persons are learning how to make money from this platform. So having a good understanding about the requirements is already a step ahead to success. To make money from YouTube, you'll have to create a YouTube channel. After creating a YouTube channel, you will need to apply and get approved for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Program, with the acronym YPP, gives creator a greater access to YouTube resources and monetization features. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you are required to at least have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watched hours. Of course, add 2 steps verification to secure your channel. And there should be no active strike on your channel before you apply. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Once your channel hit this threshold, you will sign for the partner program terms and sign up for a Google AdSense account. Sometimes it takes a week to get approved, sometimes up to a month. After getting approved, your YouTube channel can start making money from the Google ads watched on your channel.